Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I've kind of been slacking recently on the videos, but I'm back in business. Today's video, I'm gonna show everybody my sneakers. Now let me tell you why, because you might just be like,
Allison, this is literally the stupidest thing ever.
A lot of people actually ask me about my shoes, specifically at school, okay? At school, people ask me where I get my shoes and like all that type of stuff. So today I'm gonna be answering all of those questions right now. I have like not really a lot, but some here. Oh yeah, and just a disclaimer, people is kind of like, oh yeah, I'm not bragging. Some of them low-key be bragging. I am here to tell you that I am not. I am just trying to show everybody my collection. Let's get into it. So for the first pair, I have Vans, and they are these burgundy. They actually are the same color as my shirt, so that's pretty lit. If you do get these, just know that the dye on the shoe will actually get onto the strings, so you have to take the strings out and wash them, but I haven't done that because I'm lazy. Vans like rub up against the back of your foot, like your heel hurts after a while, but I don't know. Yeah, that's these. I bought these during the white van craze with, like, you know, like Daniel back in it again with the white Vans craze. They're kind of dirty. They used to be whiter when I first got them, but they're still cool. They're actually not Vans. They're not even Vans. They're like knockoff Vans, because I was like, yeah, I don't really want to actually buy white Vans. I don't know why I didn't. I probably should have bought white Vans, but yeah, here are these. Next I have these, and these are cool because I actually got these from like a thrift store. So Steve Madden, that's what it is, Steve Madden. But everybody asked me if they're Vans. These pink, oh, this this color is not looking right. They're pink, trust me, they're pink. I don't know why they're not showing up pink here, but they're pink. And these are Champion shoes. Whenever I'm wearing something pink, like up here, or even like, I don't know, I don't really have pink pants, but like whenever I wear like a pink jacket or whatever, I'll wear these. These are actually pretty new. I'm pretty sure I got them like, I don't know, maybe like 2 months ago. I like them. They're nice. I have these, and oh snap, okay, that's, yeah, those. Yeah, these are really nice, and they're really comfortable, let me tell you. I have another pair of Nikes that I can show you guys. Hold on. These, they kind of look like the gray ones, except for they have pink here, pink laces instead of white. Like pretty much all the places that are white are pink, and then it also has different detailing like that. I like the way they look, and I could also wear them with like hot pink stuff, or even like gray stuff, or even black. I could wear these with anything low-key, but they're over there now. So moving on to Adidas. I just recently started getting into Adidas, but I'm gonna show them to you now. First pair. These are Adidas Superstars. They have the silver stripes. I know, I'm pretty sure I talked about this in a video before, but pretty much everyone I know has the white ones that have black stripes here. But these are also really comfortable. Let me tell you, Adidas Superstars, pretty much the most comfortable things you can put on your feet. The next pair of Adidas Superstars, these ones. And one of the things I like is they have this gold Adidas sign on the back, which is cool. These ones have a white one, but this one is gold. It also has a gold Adidas thing here. So yeah, I like the gold detailing. It makes them look like, I don't know, fresher, like cooler. So fresh, so clean, so fresh and so clean. And they're also really comfortable. Last brand of shoe that I'm gonna be talking about is Converse, because Converse I kind of had an obsession with, but a long time ago, like probably like 4 years ago. I mean, I still like Converse, but like I don't really just go out of my way to buy them like I used to. The first pair I'm about to show you, the classics. I've obviously worn these probably too much because they're not even, the toes aren't even white anymore. If there's ever a regular shoe and then a high top and it's the exact same shoe, I'll probably go for the high tops because I think they make my feet look like more lean because I have really flat feet. These white ones, they're dirty, but we're gonna pretend like they are. I wear them quite a lot because whenever I wear like a white top or something like that, or like light washed jeans, I'll wear these because I think they look very springy and cute and bright, and most of my clothes are dark. The last pair of Converse I have to show you all, black ones. I basically have all three of like the basic Converse. Like usually if people have Converse, they either have the black and white ones, the white ones, or these black ones. Yeah, so since I'm on the step team, we all bought these, but I've actually worn these a lot since then. All of my clothes are black. They look really weird in this lighting. I'm sorry, they look gray, but they're actually black. The only sneakers in this video that I didn't bring up, I have 2 pairs. Okay, do you remember when everybody had those like sneakers and the bottom of them light up? Yeah, so I have 2 pairs of those. The first pair is high tops and the second pair are low tops, but I don't have either of them because the low tops, I literally have no idea where those are, and the high tops are dead because you have to charge those to get those to work, and the high tops are dead. So I thought showing them would be kind of stupid and like a waste of your time. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for staying subscribed to my channel despite the fact that I am literally the worst at being consistent with posting. I'm trying to work on it. It's going semi well. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, because my thumbs are weird and we love a weird thumbed girl. Hit that subscribe button because it's lit here. Let's be honest. Pretty much everybody knows how lit it is here. Everybody knows how lit it is here. So hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell because honey, you can't get lit if you don't know when the party is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you later.